back to Kitchen Shenanigans with Chef Corey. Right now we're going to make your honey mustard glaze for your salmon dish that we'll be showing you a little bit later. So, I'm going to take my thyme, garlic and salt, the brown and yellow mustard seeds that have been soaked in the apple cider vinegar for 24 hours. A little bit of honey. And we're just going to take some frustration out and mash that up. So that's the consistency I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. Alright, to accompany our salmon, we're going to make a wild rice pilaf with spring peas. Turn your heat on medium. To add our oil. Bring that to about a medium heat. Now this is step 2 of the process because I've already cooked my wild rice, simmering liquid, for 45 minutes. I'm going to add my mirepoix, which is a term for celery, carrots, and onions. Cook that for about 2 minutes. I'm also going to go ahead and season that with a little bit of salt and pepper now. In case you're curious what sauté means, it actually means to jump. So you're jumping things in the pan. Now that's cooked for a few minutes. I'm going to add my peas. Again, you're at home cooking along, so you're smelling these wonderful aromas coming out of this. So cook this for about 3 minutes. Add our pre-simmered rice mixture. Let that cook for about 2 minutes. Add our juice. Now that that's all set, turn your heat off. Garnish with your zest. And fresh parsley. Set that off to the side. Next up, we are going to be doing sautéed Brussels sprouts. I know everybody loves their Brussels sprouts when they're cooked right. They are phenomenal. We're going to put our oil into a medium heat Again, from an earlier kitchen shenanigans, you always want butter with oil to reduce the burn time. I don't like following rules, so I'm gonna go ahead and season my oil and pepper now. And salt. So as you can see, I sliced my Brussels sprouts really, really thin. If you can't get them that thin, that's okay. You can also do quarters or halves. Alright, so another reason why I put the salt and pepper in now, you see it start to jump, that means your heat is ready to go. So I'm gonna add my Brussels sprouts. Garlic, and onions at the same time. Stir those around to get that butter and oil coated on every single one of those beautiful Brussels sprouts. Let that cook for a few minutes. As you can see, the Brussels sprouts are jumping, so they're happy. They're having a good time. They're enjoying life. Again, the reason why most people don't like Brussels sprouts is because they become overcooked. So we're going to leave this for another minute, season with a little bit more salt and pepper. And those pepper flakes. Turn this off, push it to the side, and cook our salmon. Alright, to finish off your fabulous salmon dish, we've got to cook our salmon. So, again, medium heat. Put some oil in there. Water enough to cover the bottom of the pan. We'll take a beautiful salmon, season that with salt and pepper. Again, here at Kitchen Shenanigans, I don't listen very much, so I'm going to put some salt in there so when it starts jumping, I know my oil is ready to go. Alright, season the side down. Season the other side of the salmon. You're going to cook each side, don't touch it. Let it just cook for 2 minutes. Beautiful golden color is what you're looking for. Shenanigans. Sometimes it does not cooperate. You just gotta roll with it. All right, so I'm gonna shut the heat off and let that continue cooking while we start platter.